So how does your project relate to ISAT?
Alright, well, telecommunications is a sector inside of ISAT. And telecommunications deals with how messages and data is communicated over long distances. And our project dealt with the security aspect of how this data is protected and what kind of protocols and standards are involved with ensuring the safety of this data.
Can you tell me a little about your project and just like detail the background and purpose?
Okay, our group decided to test the 3 common wireless security standards used today. So in a wireless network, the data travels through the air, which makes it inherently open to interception. And our goal for our project was to test the 3 common security standards and attempt to hack into them to see how secure each one of them is in comparison to the others.
So can you go ahead and go through the broad outline of the methods involved in your project?
Okay, the first security standard we decided to research was WEP, and from our research we found that it was widely known that it's critically flawed and is insecure. We found that all you need is a wireless adapter card and a software tool called Backtrack, which is a penetration testing tool. And from there, we found command scripts that you type in to Backtrack, and from there it does a statistical analysis based on common patterns from the data, and the security key can be found.
All right, how is your project relevant outside of ISAT?
Well, these wireless access points that we hacked were common everyday routers that you would have in your home. And what we really wanted to stress was the importance of keeping your security up to date, because all it takes is somebody inside the range of your signal for your access point and a few tools to be able to log on to your network, and it would slow down your access and they could potentially see everything you're doing over your network. So
Cool.
our biggest problem was we just wanted to make sure everybody was aware of the potential threats for your home router.
You found.
And
If you explain what should be done but can't do anything, you're not valuable to them. If you can do it but can't talk about it and convince somebody, then I said, explain it to me in a different way. If you can't do that, you're not as valuable. You might as well go hire, a Radford grad or Mason grad or something.